Hello everybody, it's raining and this is another vlog day. Get my colorful backpack on my back. And look at this, it's so pretty. Look at this beautiful artwork. The rainbow has started here and this is what it looks like in LA. Oh, it's a colorful lot. Color.
This was a bigger one than yesterday.
Cinnamon, what is all this colorful stuff for? Oh, are we gonna walk through this? It's coming from here.
Kind of rainbow. And another rainbow over here.
I'm walking in it, I don't want to. On this, I take off my shoes. We need to get past though. How do we get past?
Why?
I don't know, we just need to get past. Okay, you have flip-flops on. Flip-flops are gonna get wet anyway. Can you just grab me that log? Grab me that log.
Why not?
That log right there.
Why?
Because we're gonna use it for something. Go grab it. Ah, it's starting to rain, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put y'all away because y'all are gonna get wet. Bye.